Hey guys, this is Mrs. Gresham. I wanted to send you a video to help you log into the student CTLS Learn. So the first thing you will need to do is, if you are on a school issued device, you should have a icon that looks like this one. It says Student Portal Learn or Student Learn. You would just click on that to get started. If you do not have a school issued device, you can go to the internet, preferably Google, Chrome, log into cobbk12.org, and then you will want to click on Parents, and then you will need to click on CTLS Learn Login. And it's going to take you to this page, which is where you need your student's email that I sent you earlier. So please check for that email, but I will put myself in here. And get logged in. And then you will get a page. It's gonna be similar to this, but it will not be exactly like this because I am logging in as myself, but as a student. So hang on just a second while I get this done. Okay, so when you get logged in, it should open up into the CTLS portal, and you will see at least one tile or box on your screen. So you want to look for the one that says Mrs. Gresham 2020, 2021. It's going to say kindergarten homeroom, and you can click on that. When you get here, it's going to open you up to, I guess, what we could call like a home page or the home landing page. You will see instructors, so these will be different teachers within our building that will be coming in and out of our lessons, or that your student could be working with during some of our small group sessions. You can scroll down. You'll notice that there's an announcement tab down here. Right now there's nothing in it, but there is this little caret, and if you click on it, if there was something in there, it would open up. But just remember that you need to scroll down to see other things. And then over here on the class board, you will see our daily schedule for Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then below that is our special schedule, because we do go to a different special every day. But we will be together in a live lesson with the students, and we will definitely remind them and help them remember where to get to. So this is always a place that you can come and just look for the schedule or different announcements or different things that might need to be posted. But in order to get to the digital session on Monday, after you get to this page, you will need to come over here where it says Digital Sessions, and you will click on that. And you will see, your child's going to see several different tabs or boxes here. The one that you need Monday morning is going to be Mrs. Gresham Live Teaching Sessions. So Monday morning when you come here, you need to click on Mrs. Gresham Live, and it's going to take you here. Now, on Monday, this green button right here that says Join Live Classroom should be able to be clicked. And then it's going to ask you if you want to launch in a web app or in the Zoom app. And I recommend doing it in the Zoom app. It will take you into a new tab, but this portal will still be open, so it will be easy for you to get back to. So this weekend, I would just suggest taking some time and making sure that you can log in your child so that they can be ready to log in Monday morning, ready to go at 8 a.m. I would suggest probably starting to log in earlier than 8, 7:45, just to make sure that things are going okay. And if we do have any hiccups or bumps along the way, just breathe and be patient. This is a new system and we are working on it and doing the very best that we can, and know that if for some reason the whole thing crashes, check your email and I will send you some links to some websites that the students can work on at home. If you have any questions though, send me an email, or I've included my cell phone number in most of the emails these days. Please feel free to send me a text and I will do my very best to help you out. Look forward to seeing everybody Monday morning at 8 a.m. Thanks.